Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to fix a problem quickly around an exterior sump pump that's getting clogged by leaves and debris from the yard. We have a sump pit, and as you can see, this sump pump is getting clogged. It's out here, it's picking up groundwater from around this area, and we're unfortunately getting leaves and debris into the sump pit. So what we've devised here is we're just going to make a loop out of 1/2-inch mesh hardware cloth, and we're going to put it around the pump down in the water. And this, as this fills with leaves, the water can keep climbing until it keeps finding fresh material. Hopefully we get a year or two out of this filter before it gets clogged and has to be pulled and cleaned, but at least we'll keep the pump from failing within 6 months. So anytime I make a protective screen to go around the sump pump, I make sure that once it goes around, this cord will be up above, when it goes around, that it doesn't interfere with the float assembly. So this float assembly here, if you interfere with it, trouble's going to happen. So we throw the pump in. We take the wire. This is 1/2-inch mesh galvanized hardware cloth. I cut it so it came up as high as I could get it without interfering with any of the plumbing. I got to play dodgy electrical cord. You can see it here. It's going to help prevent the leaves and such from getting around it. See, now we're outside of the lint from the laundry tub, so we have a double protection now for that. So there you have it. As the water comes into this pit and as leaves are accumulating, they'll have to filter through that 1/2-inch hardware cloth. It will probably still clog eventually, but it's going to go a lot longer in between uses before it fails and this poor homeowner has to take it apart and clean it again. Just a quick, easy trick from MrHardware.com to keep a sump pump clear of debris.